Ashton, and today we're going to make a volcano here today. Don't worry, we haven't tried this before, we just did it. That's just to add food colouring to. So this is a bottle of vinegar, and I just cut off like the end bit so it could come out this time, because it wasn't coming out. Just going to make sure that's in the middle. Okay, that should be good. Well, that works. It doesn't really.
Add some more baking.
Yeah, let's add some more baking powder, guys. That's all it does. Thank you guys for watching. Remember your safety. I forgot. Sorry. And okay, that's all for today. And that is all you need. And pretty crap Chinese thing, but it's okay. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.